You wanna have a nice little night out, go get some sushi. $10 to $15 per roll, and now you've spent $70. You can have that same night, but for this price.
Oh yeah, I'll show you why Josh Weissman's math is terrible. Now, is this Josh Weissman's budget meal? Is it actually budget? Can he actually afford to do this? Let's find out. For consistency reasons, I converted to USD from AUD. Realistically, even I don't have many of the ingredients, and that's about $33.87 USD. That's not including stuff that I had in my pantry. You know, it's kind of expensive as it is.
Rice is the most important component of your life.
I doubt you have sushi rice. Just go buy some half-off medium grain rice.
You need 2 cups of sushi rice. Always wash your rice, and we're gonna wash it twice.
I did 3 because I wanted to make something else. Wash your rice twice. Make sure you pour some of the rice down the drain.
Add it to your rice cooker with equal parts water. And no, I'm not budging on this. I know it's butt cheaper. Please just use a rice cooker.
Use a rice cooker.
You're gonna make your seasoned rice vinegar, which is super easy to make. Then once the rice is cooked, you're gonna season it with your sushi zoo to taste.
Some cheapest rice vinegar, water and sugar, and optionally bonita flakes or kombu, or both. 40% a bottle of rice vinegar, 50 cents ish. About 540 grams of rice, 49 cents for 9 rolls. Season your rice with it. It should look crumbly, but not soaking.
We've got 3 rolls for you. Classic spicy salmon tamaki, a vegetable tamaki, and a pork belly makimono to level things out.
We're only doing the salmon one because let's be honest, it's gonna be more expensive anyway, so don't bother.
Let's start with the spicy salmon tamaki. First thing we need to make is our fried shallots.
I'm not doing that because more expensive and time consuming.
Next, you'll need half of an English cucumber, but in order to get the length right, cut a sheet of nori in half and cut the cucumber to the same width as the nori.
I'm saying things in the wrong order, like Josh, English cucumber, half a sheet of seaweed.
And cut the cheeks off of it like this, leaving the core behind. Then take those cheeks, cut them into batons.
A third of a cucumber, 69 cents for 9 rolls.
Now for the salmon, you're gonna need half a pound of sashimi grade salmon, which surprisingly was only like $8. But you can switch this out for any sashimi grade fish you want.
I got 2 packs of salmon totaling 304 grams. Yeah, go get your sashimi grade one, it's better. $15.72 for 9 rolls.
Cut your fish using a very sharp knife, using single strokes only, into nice half-inch cubes.
Cut your fish into half-inch cubes and stroke your meat just once per slice.
Then in a separate bowl, you're gonna combine a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of sriracha, 1 green onion, thinly sliced, salt to taste, and 1 clove of grated garlic.
Another bowl, 1/3 cup of mayo, 3 tablespoons sriracha, 1 green onion, no salt, don't do that, it's too salty, and 1 clove of garlic grated.
Mix that together, add in your salmon, and toss to coat.
Use the same spoon and then mix the salmon in later.
Get yourself a sheet of nori, cut it in half so you have 2 halves, and repeat that so you have about 8 to 10 sheets.
Cut the nori sheets in half, right down the middle like he does.
Take one of your half sheets, dampen your hands with water, and spread enough sushi rice along your nori to cover about 3/4 of it.
Yeah, grab a handful so it's about 3/4. It's the wetter the better.
Next, spoon on 2 to 3 tablespoons of your spicy salmon,
Next spoon, 2 to 3 tablespoons of your spicy salmon.
a cucumber baton,
Cucumber baton.
top with crispy shallots and some sesame seeds.
And bought crispy shallots and I used shichimi instead of sesame seeds.
Roll that up from the bottom, leaving a little tail of nori at the base, and you have a lovely salmon tamaki.
After you roll, a lovely salmon tamaki.
For this price to make 8 of them, dude. That means each tamaki is gonna cost this.
Why? Josh Weissman's math is bad. Well, if you multiply 1.29 per salmon roll, that does not equal $14.03. And even if you get 10, that also equals $12.90, which is still less. I don't know where the f*** you got those values from. Alright, final comparisons. It costs $1.98 per roll. That's not including stuff that I had in my pantry. According to Josh Weissman, $1.29, but this was in 2021. ChatGPT's calculation, it's about $1.50 in 2023. Now, the price difference is 49 cents, which is about a 25% difference.
Next up, vegetable tamaki.
Next up, not a vegetable roll, but a tuna mayo roll, because I'm sure you have tuna and I'm sure you have mayo lying around. I bet you this shit's cheaper than whatever he's listed there, and tuna mayo's bussin'. Put that leftover green onion in it, and if you have shallots and you actually made it, just chuck it in, you know, it's still good. Oh yeah, let's have a look inside. Cut it open. Yeah, it looks nice and cummy, it's good. What's the verdict? The salmon temaki tastes really good. It's a bit more pricey than you think. An alternative is tuna mayo. This would be an actual budget option for you. Bro, please subscribe. I kind of need it, you know.